Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be using this basic bodice block to create a princess dart bustier. So just hold on. If you haven't watched the video on how to make this basic bodice pattern, pause and go back to watch the video. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Alright guys, let's go. So I've gone ahead to trace my basic block onto another pattern paper because I do not want to mess with my main basic block. You can use brown paper, cardboard or newspaper. So we'll be checking if our drafting is actually correct, like correct, you get. We are checking out if our draft is actually correct. Please go back and watch the video for the basic bodice if you haven't. My waist measurement divided by 4 is 6.25 and the extra you're seeing there is for the dart intake. Now to check if this is correct, measure from the beginning of your center front down to one of the dart leg. Then take what you got on your second leg dart, measure it to the end of your waist point. You should get your waist measurement divided by 4. Now repeat what you did for the waist measurement to the under bust measurement. Now to check if this is correct, measure from the beginning of your center front down to one of the dart leg. Then place what you got on your second leg dart, measure it to the end of your under bust like I'm doing in the video. I need 6.25 to be the total of everything, but use your own measurement. We actually have more than 6.25 there. So what you do is mark your own waist measurement there, then go ahead and measure the extra. The extra will be shared equally on the dart. You're going to measure that extra and then divide it between the darts, like I'm doing in the video. Go ahead and share it equally on the dart. Then use your cuff to connect the new dart. So now that will be your new dart. Now I'm just cross-checking the whole thing. You should do that too, so you know that you're on the right track. I just duplicated the pattern because I want to cut a princess dart bustier. For the princess dart bustier, I will take 3.5 inches down on the armhole measurement. You can actually use 3 if you want, or 3.5, whichever one you want. I'm going to use my curve to connect it to the nipple point, not to the point the dart starts from, to the nipple point. You see that it's already come into shape. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. You see that shape, eh? That was how we used to draw houses back then in primary school. Please leave a comment below if this was how you drew your houses with the extra details. Good old memories though. Oh yeah, enough of the play. Let's just continue. That is what you have when you cut it. Now we are going to close in your bust dart. Remember that the front and the back is not the same, so we have to make it the same. You really don't need to cut it open, just cut one part. Make sure it gets to the very edge of that pointed place and put it on the other part. It wouldn't stay flat if you don't cut it to the very edge of that place. Also be careful not to cut it all the way through because I made that mistake. Yep. Yeah, I'm done. Now there you have it. Your princess dart bustier is ready. Now we're just left with the back. The back doesn't have any issue at all. So simple. I'm actually so excited. I can't wait to sew this project with you guys. I'm excited. I'm just going ahead to reshape it because I was thinking it was too pointed. So do whatever you have to do there. The back doesn't have any underbust, you just have bust line and waist, and you don't need any contouring for the back. So just go ahead and take your 3.5 on your armhole and then connect it to the dart point. You can actually decide to just do that, just sewing the dart instead of the princess dart at the back. So I don't know the one I want yet, that's why I did not cut it. But if you are very sure you want the princess dart at the back, just go ahead and cut it. Guys, I'm so sorry I've not been consistent recently. I will try my best to be, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.